Good morning, welcome to our channel, and thank you for watching our vlogs. Thank you guys. I'm here, I'm cooking. Look, I'm cooking chicken breast with soup. This is chicken breast with soup. It's James' favorite is a breast. So every time I buy I bought this one, so this it's a breast because it's he likes a white breast. And I chop a little, and I want to eat this because of malunggay leaves. Malunggay leaves a lot of benefits, and it's good for our body. It's malunggay leaves with chicken breast, see, with soup, and it's almost cooked. Yeah. And we have a little bit of cats here. And James is gaming there upstairs, still gaming. We have a little bit of cans here, and ham here, this one and that one. And we have a raptor here. Look, we have a raptor. Oh my. Yeah, and we have a lot of soap here. And soap powder for the laundry. There's a lot of drinking water here. And we have a pineapple, yeah. And yeah. Oh, it's cooked now. Ready to eat. Doink. And I cook what do you call this? I have left best fries forever. And we have ham here and chicken thigh, chicken legs. And I bought yesterday another French fries, 2 kilos, and vegetable and etc. This is a farmland green peas and some over here. We have milk here, and we have pancit canton and bihon, and we have a black coffee, and here this is the golden oats, and I like this with vitamin E, source of omega 3 and 6. And thank you guys, and we eat now because it's cooked. Thank you for watching, and guys, and it's very hot today and cloudy, but it's too hot. Yeah, thank you for watching, and